Hello everyone, I am Umer Ansari from TYComp. Today I will explain you K-mean clustering. Here we use three important Python library. First is NumPy library, second is Pandas library, and third is Matplotlib. NumPy is a numerical library which is used for mathematical expression. And second one is a pandas library, very famous library, and which is used for creating data frame and so on. And third is a matplotlib, which is used for plotting the graph and plotting the graph. Uh, and next line is loading the aries dataset. Here we import one CSV file on my browser computer, which is data equal to pt.read underscore csv, and here we use here type the address of the file, and next line we describe the data which is in the csv file, and you can see the my csv file data as shown in the page. And here we use the sklearn library. Sklearn library is used for k-means. When we use k-means, we have to import the sklearn library. Here we write the about our k-means and plot. Here we use plt.plot, and we assign the axis name, x-axis and y-axis. Here you can see plt.x label and plt.y label, and we can assign the axis name, number of cluster, and vccs list. And you can see the graph, and we use the k-mean using elbow method. This is the elbow method graph, and plt.show, and this is a graph shown by the screen. This is our graph, and this is k-means model. We enter all the data whatever we given, and then visualizing the cluster. We have a cluster. We have three type of cluster. You can see on the graph. Here the title of the graph is cluster of flower. Cluster of flower, and X label and Y label. Here we have three type of cluster. One is blue, one is green, and one is red. This is a blue cluster, green cluster, and red cluster, and yellow point is a centroid of each cluster. Each cluster have their own centroid. Here cluster 1 is blue, cluster 2 is green, and cluster 3 is a red. And every yellow point is a centroid of each cluster. And here we wrote the clusters specification, and here same plt.show is showing the your graph whatever you type and whatever your code is written,